Hey there, easy peasy art fam. Get ready for some whimsical fun as today. We're hopping into a super cute drawing with a cheeky frog and a mushroom who's head over heels. Let's keep it easy and fun. Grab your art supplies and let's jump right in. First off, we're sketching those big round eyes for our froggy friend. One winking mischievously, and the other wide open. Add a warm smile to complete the cheeky expression. Now let's give our froggy some little hands, as if he's holding on to a secret. What's the secret, you ask? Well, it's a giant mushroom umbrella. Draw a big mushroom with a sturdy stem. And don't forget the wild grass around. To up the fun factor, let's add a heart pattern to the mushroom. Our frog and mushroom are clearly head over heels for each other. Now set the stage with fallen leaves around our adorable couple. And here comes the exciting part. Time to add those vibrant colors. Splash some warmth onto your drawing to bring this lovely scene to life. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that like button if you're enjoying the creative journey. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more easy peasy art adventures. Thanks for joining me today. Keep those pencils moving, keep creating, and until next time, happy drawing!